So for us to get started, we're gonna need 8 ounces of glue. Oh, that's heavy. There we go. Pour that into a cup. Now we're going to also add a half a tablespoon of baking soda. Gonna stir that up. And if you want to add color to your slime, this is the step where you would want to do that. Oh, I've got blue fingers already. Mix that up nicely. And you can see it's just blue glue. Nothing fancy yet. And that's because we haven't added our activator, the piece that's going to link all of those polymers together to make slime. Now our recipe calls for 1.5 tablespoons of contact solution, but I always like to start with less. So I'm just going to start with 1 tablespoon of contact solution first. Pour that in. And now when you start stirring it, it instantly starts to glob up. Oh man, it's already turning into awesomeness. Now, if it's really sticky, mine's still pretty sticky, you can add a little bit of that contact solution in at a time. I'm actually gonna pull mine out first, maybe. Oh, this is where your hands get messy. Oh. Look at that. It's actually really a good consistency already. If it's feeling sticky, you're gonna add just a little bit more contact solution to it. Now we have about a half a tablespoon left, but I'm going to just take my contact solution and just put a few little dribbles on it. This contact solution is going to make those polymers, the glue molecules, stick together better. And soon we'll have the perfect consistency. Look at that. That is awesome. Slime. Oh, I think you should try this recipe also.